show you how to access values in a list. Okay, we can access the values from a list by using index values. We will specify the index number within these square brackets. Let me just give you an example here. Okay, I will remove all these three lists that is here. I'm going to have other lists here. Okay, for example, I'm going to have Mumbai, okay, which is one of the element for this list, and also let's go with Bangalore. Okay, Bangalore, and also I am going to add, okay, China. Let's go with China. Of course, it's a country. No problem. Just add some element here. Okay, so something like this. So this is a set. Okay, with these 4 elements. And I'm going to add another list here, which is going to be a number. Okay, it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So also, okay, just this two. Okay, we have these 2 lists. Now I'm going to show you how we can access the element within these 2 lists. So I'm going to print this statement here. Okay, when I access it. So you see we have the cities. Okay, so if I just print this cities, it's gonna print it like this. Let me show you. So you see it is printing that as a list. All of them is right over here. Okay, the whole thing. But we are trying to access some of the element. For example, Bangalore or China or Pune or Mumbai. Some of them. Okay, so here we are going to access it. Okay, just like we were doing in string. Okay, for example, I'm going to access the first element, so I'm going to use 0 here. Okay, when I run it, it will give me Mumbai, and when I add 3, okay, 0, 1, 2, and 3, what is going to happen? What do you think? Okay, you see the 3, it is giving me the last one. Okay, and also we can use -1, 2. So if I give -3, it is going to give me Bangalore. Why? Because the negative start from -1. Okay, for example, -1, -2, -3. So if we start from negative part or negative side, we are going to have 4 elements here. But if we start from right, we're going to have 3 elements here. Okay, so 0, 1, and 2, and 3. So we're counting these as indexes. Okay, and the same thing goes with the numbers. Okay, if I use number, and right over here, if I use start from 1 up to 4, what do you think? Okay, let me show you that the results start from 2 up to 4. Okay, we have 1. Okay, always this one is included, but the last one is excluded. So if I add 5 here and run it, so we will be having 2 up to 5. But why don't we have the number 1? Because we started from 1. Okay, if I start from 0, it will give me all of them. Okay, like this. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5. So it is how we can access some element within a list. Okay.